Halo on the line for the Unholy Rulers.
That's Outlaw for real. And it's her first career champ. We're rookie out there for the Manic Attack. Watch that pack reform. The Manic Attackers trying to claim the front.
Twisted Halo is being held back by Aiden Heatlaser.
For the record, that's my favorite name in all of roller derby.
No, it's my favorite name in all of roller derby.
And the Unholy